So one of the types of information that you can scrape using Thunderbit is news article sites. And over here in the sample page, you can see that I got news articles right here just like this. So let's say I want to go ahead and scrape this off. So over here you can see that I am in a news article and this is current page right here. So let me just go ahead and click on next right here. I'm simply going to go ahead and utilize AI auto detect right here, and you can see it detected that there's no pagination on this page. So now you can click on next, and then what happens is that you can create new scraper template and let AI suggest out the template for you. So you can see that it detected out article title, article URL, publish date, author name, author title, article content, and let me just go ahead and add in, let's say for example, word count right here just like this. So I can go ahead and add that in right there. So now once that is done, simply go ahead and click on run right here, and what happens is that it'll go ahead and scrape off the article right here just like this, and we'll go ahead and fetch out the data and scrapes out the page. So if I were to go ahead and open up the result right here, you can see that the task is in progress, and now it captured out the article title, the article URL, the published date, the author name, author title right here. Then you can see that I got article content and the word count right here, which I added in right here. And that is basically how you can go ahead and scrape out news websites as you like inside of Thunderbit. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.